Backing up your WordPress website to Google Drive involves two steps. Backing up your website files and database, then uploading them to Google Drive. Here's how to do it. Backup website files. Access your site files. Use FTP or cPanel's file manager to access your website files. Download files. Navigate to the public_HTML folder. Select all the files and folders and compress them into a zip archive. Save zip file. Download the zip archive to your local computer. Backup the database. Access phpMyAdmin. Log into cPanel and open phpMyAdmin under the Databases section. Export the database. Select your WordPress database. Click the Export tab and choose the Quick Export method in SQL format. Click Go to download the database. Upload backups to Google Drive. Open Google Drive. Log into your Google Drive account. Upload the files. Drag and drop the zip archive and SQL file into your Google Drive or use the Upload button. Organize and store. Ensure the backups are stored securely on Google Drive with proper organization for easy retrieval.